just took a shower and was debating if I wanted to blow my hair out or not, but for now I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm wondering where HelloFresh is, and I literally just threw on something like this dress, and it was in a pile of clean laundry. Like, I finally got to do my laundry from a while back that was just piled up. So I'm about to go outside in the big massive winds that are going on right now. I can hear it from inside the door. My HelloFresh is here. Let's bring it in. So I'm literally gonna go grab a box and bring it in. So we got our HelloFresh. It's like the first one in a while. Hello Fresh. HelloFresh. Gonna put it down over here, I guess. So I ordered 3 different meals. And let's open this up together. We're gonna open this up together. What am I doing? What, stand up here? Yes. We grab a scissor. Here are my menus. There should be one more in there. There's 3 meals. Here it is. These got damaged, but it's okay. So there's 3 meals. I don't know which one we're gonna make tonight. Let's see, what do I have? Beef tenderloin, a pilav with roasted potatoes and green beans. And I actually have green beans in the fridge that I gotta finish. Mutts. Oh yeah, that's the fake beer. I was like, there's no point in getting this. That's going in the garbage. Mott's stuffed caprese burgers with griddled tomato, creamy pesto, and potato wedges. Oh, this was the first one, in case you were wondering. This is the burgers. And then this one, I might make tonight, without the rice, because we don't use the rice. Because of my diet, and I don't care for white rice. Yeah, we got the HelloFresh. Sizzling ginger shrimp with katsu sauce, plus scallion rice and roasted green beans. Might as well make one of my other rices. Oh, do we have any other rices? I'm not sure. This looks delicious. I think we're gonna have this tonight. I love me some shrimp. So that's that one. Let's stick this down here. And then they give you like coupons or whatever for places that we don't use usually. Although I do like Myers, they're trying to sell you stuff that they have affiliations with. What's this? Wine voucher, I still don't buy drinking water. Geico, I don't care for that either. New Skin. They actually started carrying this at the Target where we live. Function of Beauty, and I don't care for that either. So, at least it's all garbage. Heineken has a 0, what is this again? 0 alcohol beer. Oh. I don't care for that. I like my alcohol. Okay, here's the meals. They separate everything in a bag. This is the Mott Stuffed Caprese Burgers. Most of the ingredients that you use are pre-packaged in here for you. There's like a few things you need, like salt, pepper, oil, things like that. Usually, this is the sizzling ginger shrimp with katsu sauce that we're gonna have tonight. And oh, they gave us one of these for free. Maybe Daniel will like it, or we can give it to Kaylee. Grab a Heine. They gave us a mini Heine 0. Okay. Thanks, HelloFresh. Already said I didn't want it. Then, oh yeah, they keep the meat separately if you get meats like we do. This is like everything else. The beef tenderloin of club. And underneath this, there's like a sign. It says, don't forget about the ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. So they gave us another Heine. Thanks, HelloFresh. We got 2 Heinies. 2 Heinekens. So this bag here is white shrimp, sustainably farm raised, raw peeled and deveined. Oh, thank you. And I'll leave this out there. I'll just take a picture. Photo ops. Our ground beef for the burgers. And that one is $85.15. Then a beef tenderloin for our steak of love. The thing I like about HelloFresh is that it's portion controlled. Like, I got the meal plan for 2 to 3, which is really just 2. I should do more than that, so it's okay.
Holy crow, it's cold out there.
I know. I had to grab this, like, you know. Yeah. I had to grab this. It's freezing still. I'll put the air up. And this is ice. Is there anything else in there? No. Alright, this is all garbage to add to our collection of garbage. Sorry, Kaylee, I told you to. I move this out of the way. Put that in all the notes too. Alright, so. So all the food we have, let me bring you around. So this is everything from HelloFresh, all the main ingredients that we need. This is dinner tonight, dinner for another night, and dinner for another night. So we have our meals ready for the next few nights, which I like about it too, because it gets boring after a while, like eating the same stuff. This like spices it up. We got our Heine Zeros. Heineken Zero. No alcohol. I'm gonna give it to Kaylee and see what she says in just a sec. Just wanna put these in the fridge so they don't get bad. Shrimp, yes! Yes! 2.5 servings, my butt. That's like 1 serving for 1 person. I'm just kidding. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I had to buy everything myself. And if you want to use my coupon code to save $10 off your first HelloFresh box, the coupon code is in my description, as well on my About Me section on my YouTube channel, LuLu Live. It's $10 off 40, and then everything else is extra. It's all on you, boo. So let me see if I can give Kaylee this Heinekens. She doesn't drink booze. Kaylee, do you want these Heineken Zeros? There's no alcohol in it.
No, okay.
She doesn't want it. I knew she wouldn't want it. Where are the kitty cats?
Bunny's up there.
Oh. It's a kitty cat. Hey, Bunny.